Now, most important question of that chain rule in terms of log, we have y equals to log x plus root x square plus a square. Find dy by dx. So how can you differentiate it? That total term is called x. So log x derivative is 1 by x d by ds of x. What we have assuming here x plus root x square plus a square is total term is called x. So that 1 upon x d by ds of x. That the term out of derivative, no change on it. Right, same as it is. Now u plus v formula assuming here derivative of x is what? 1 plus same root total term is called again is x. So root x derivative is what? 1 upon 2 root x d by dx of x. What is x? X is x square plus a square, x square plus a square, x square plus a square. In previous section we know that how we can differentiate the term of root x. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. I repeat again, that total term is called x. That derivative, that in form of root x, derivative of it 1 upon 2 root x d by ds of x. In place of x we put x square plus a square. That is called the chain rule. Now that total term is same, 1 plus 1 by 2 root x square a square, same out of derivative. The derivative of x square is what? 2x, and the derivative of a square will be 0 because it is a constant. 2 and 2 are cancelled. Taking that LCM, that 1 having no denominator value is called 1. 1 and root x square plus a square derivative is root x square plus a square. This divide by 1 is same multiply by 1 is same, plus is same. That divide that 1 into x is x. That term in numerator form and that term is denominator form. Both are cancelled because they are same. So the final answer 1 upon root x square plus a square. Now the next pattern of the derivative y is equals to log x to the base a, not the e. So their derivative is log x 1 upon x log a base e. Base e 1 upon a log a base e. We have the problem y is equals to log x to the base 7. So that is a look like the structure of it, where here the value of a is what? 7. So how can you differentiate it? The derivative y is dy dx, that derivative 1 upon x log a base e. A is what? 7. So log 7 base e, that is the answer. Now again we want to another example of that. We have y is equals to log x base 2 and whole log base 3. Find their derivative. Assuming it by the chain rule, that value is totally inside the value of log base 3 is called x. So that is called x. So log x base a, that the value is called a. So what is the derivative of log x base a? We know that 1 upon x log a base e. A is what? 3. A is what? 3. So log a base e 3. 1 upon x. X is what? That. So 1 upon x log a base e d by ds of x. That total value is called x. So we put both these side. 1 upon x log a base e d by ds of x. Because that value, assuming it by the chain rule is what? X. So that is the value of x, that is the value of x, and a is what? 3, so that is 1 upon x log a base e d by ds of x. So that total term out of derivative, no change on it, 1 upon x log x base 2 log 3 base e same. Now we can differentiate them, that is a is what? 2, so that derivative 1 upon x log a base e. A is what? 2, so answer is 1 upon x log a base e, and d by ds of x. X in place of x is x, so derivative of x is 1, that's why we cannot write it. If they having a x, d by ds of x is what? 1, that's why we cannot write it. That is the solution.